You think you're busy. Spring here on the farm, man, we're in the middle of birthing season, spring planting season, and, well, tornado season. Actually, tornado season just started, so we're a little beyond. The three girls behind me, one of them has already calved. The other two are just about to let go. This is the first little man that was born here, and he's doing fine. He's about a week, a little less than a week old, and getting along pretty well. This is Annie, and I don't know if you can see her bag or not. I'll try to move a little bit, but she has bagged out a good bit last night, and her due date is any minute. So she will be a first-time mother, so that one will be an all-night affair probably. But nonetheless, we will get her where she needs to be. She's an excellent, excellent heifer. This is Violet. She is about to kid at any minute. And that is Annie's mother. And she's about to kid, I say kid, about to calf at any minute. So yeah, the cow part of the farm has been very busy. You can see Ginger over there chowing down on some hay, and that is the little man's mom. This is Possum Ridge Farm's Hollie. She was born here about 5 years ago, has kidded multiple times, and these are her kids. These guys are about a week old now. The black one is a buck, and the white one is a doe. They're coming along nicely, nice enough where we elected to put them in the field a little early. This is Possum Ridge Farm's Kiwi. We brought her in from Forest Pride. This is her first year. She's a yearling, and that is a little buck. Now, I have documented the birth here, and that video will come out shortly, but she is very young, first-time mother, knows nothing, and so she's taking a little extra care. You can see she's got her own little apartment here for right now, but it won't be long before she goes out with somebody else that's a little more senior. Kiwi was part of the goat upgrades that we did last year when we went out to Forest Pride. Amazing place, by the way, if you've never been there. Now, in the barn, this is Possum Ridge Farm Livvy. Livvy is a senior doe. She's about 5 years old. She was born here, and she had triplets day before yesterday. There are the triplets. The black and white one are bucks, and the little gray one are does. They're doing really well. Triplets present their own challenges because, well, there's only 2 places to eat on a doe, so you've got to monitor what they do. So I suspect they will be not put out to pasture for some time, if not indefinitely, until I'm absolutely sure they're ready to go. We're about halfway through birthing season. So far, it hasn't been too bad. We have had minimal assistance needed with the does and the cow, but we'll wait and see. This is the paternity pen. That is Thelma Lou and Helen, both Possum Ridge Farms, and they are big as a house. Their due date is any second, and there's at least 2 in there, and maybe 3 in each one. We'll have to see. This is Woody and Olaf. These are our buck herd sires. They did their part, but I figured they needed to be included. These were part of the Forest Pride upgrade. We got these 2 guys from them last year, and they are huge and are really pulling off some really nice kids so far this year. This is Possum Ridge Farm's Charlie, and he is the son of our very first milk cow, Mabel. Now, she passed away a number of years ago. That is his father, Bob. He is half Jersey, half Hereford, and absolutely mellow fella for, you know, a 1,000-pound critter. We also have potatoes that are just coming up. We have our cauliflower and our cabbage that have had to withstand 2 major freezes, which were freak things down here. Both of them long hours in the lower 20s. So we did lose some of those. Hopefully we can come back from that. We've got onions up there, maybe 300 or so plants, and a full 60, 75-foot row of lettuce. Now we're getting ready to plant corn. The tomatoes are under the lights. It's just a busy, busy time. Yeah, we got another set of storms coming through, potential tornadoes again. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, I'll see you down at the barn or, well, maybe the storm shelter.